How the
didn't even
day
catch a rod. It was only
started.
me. I was kind of just waiting for him to get back.
Are those his rods then?
One of them's mine. Two of them are his.
What's that?
One of them's mine. Two of them are his.
Okay. Were you guys fishing at Island Park the other day?
Us in Island Park, minding our business, having a jolly time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you guys got caught up there fishing without licenses too?
Cross-country skier stopped minding his business. Our faces explain how we felt.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, guys. Well, thank you very much.
Thanks. Have a good one.
Say it how it is. Don't dance around the question. I know you get all red when people start asking. How guilty do you feel? Does it pull inside of you? Scared one day it might spill. I know it will. I know it will.
I'm gonna try a worm. Oh my God, he bit that as I was reeling it up.
There's so many fish in here.
That was crazy. It's actually not an awful fish.
It's a brown. Is it?
Oh no, it's a cutthroat. It's a nice chubby. Nice one. Oh, it's another rainbow. It's a solid one.
Oh, yo, Vice, PB cutthroat on the line. Swear to God, I just watched it eat. It's the one that Eddie lost. No joke. Bizey, it's so big. It's probably 5 pounds. No joke.
Oh. Oh God. It's really big. Is your drag loose?
Yeah. I'm not losing this guy. It's so strong though. Oh, it's so scary. Bro, look at how big it is.
Oh, don't bring it. Don't let him go in there. It's so pretty. Oh no. Oh my God. It's so pretty.